Hi y'all, thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be making some blackberry jam biscuits. I picked up some Weisenberger biscuit mix and some blackberry jam when I went to Jackson's Orchard the other day. So I wanted to make these. I thought that would be a good thing to fix with it. I made my biscuits according to the package directions, and then I placed them in my cast iron skillet. I tried to make the indentions with the measuring spoon, but it didn't work very well. So I ended up just pressing out the biscuit dough with my fingers and just making the indentions. It worked a lot better than the measuring spoons. You just make the little wells to hold the blackberry jam. You actually can use any kind of jam or jelly that you would like, or preserves. Apple butter would even be great. You can use strawberry, peach, orange, blueberry, just whatever kind that you would like, whatever flavor you like, you can use it. You just make the indentions and then you get your preserves ready or your jam ready. And you put about a spoonful in the wells of the biscuits. About a spoonful in each one. These turned out really well. They were delicious. I hope you give them a try. Okay, I melted some butter and I'm going to brush that around the edges of the biscuits to help brown them while they're in the oven. Butter just makes everything better, I think. Such great flavor. Okay, now after you get the butter on there, you just make sure you cover it really well. And then I've got my oven preheated for 400 degrees. And I'm going to place these in the oven and let them bake until they get golden brown. Ooh, look at that. The jam is bubbling and the biscuits are golden brown. I have made a glaze out of powdered sugar, evaporated milk, and some vanilla. I mix well until it will drizzle over top of the biscuits. You just kind of drizzle all over. These were so good. I'm definitely going to make them again, but I might use like strawberry next time or peach. I think that would be delicious. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe out there. And I sure appreciate you watching. You just drizzle over the top and make pretty designs. Ooh, look how pretty. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope everyone has a great day. Please stay safe and well. Thank you.